Long overdue. What's happening, y'all? We back here at Everything with Lonnie. Hope your day has been blessed. If not, I'm here to lay your struggles at rest. Today, as you saw in the title, is the official dorm tour, and we have a special guest. Yeah! Ooh. Ooh. Cameron's decorations eat every time. Everybody compliments us. So when you first come in the door, it depends on what side you are staying on in the dorm of CHS, but the bathroom will either be to your right or to your left. And so we have your own bathroom, of course, which was very much needed. I don't know why the toilet paper is sticking up like that. All right, so we have a trash can, we have a broom and dustpan, and then this is your actual shower. I will say that they lied to you on the housing application because they said you get a full bathroom, and if you don't know what that means a toilet, a sink, and a bathtub that has a shower head. This, of course, is a stand-up shower, so what we have is a half bath. They lied to you. But this is the inside shower head, and you get a side, your roommate gets a side, and this is like a very basic, easy type of mechanism. You should not have any issues. These are my shower shoes. I would say you don't need them, but if you stand in quad, definitely recommend. And then here, right next to the door when you first come in, are some shelves. You split them with your roommate. So this is mine. And then I use this to go into the shower in the restroom so I can like change right after. And then this is, okay, so at the top, this is Cameron's. She has her laundry, tons of it, and we're actually about to leave soon. So, and then on the second, ooh, come on, look at the color scheme. It looks like she has a bunch of Dove, you know, some Chanel perfume. She also has a hair care section. Yep. This is her dorm. Now I'm gonna just show you my closet so you guys can get a understanding of how much space there is. On the top, you have a rack. I have umbrellas, an iron, I have a scarf, 2 more blankets because it does get cold at night during the winter, and watermelon neck pillow. I think you've seen them before. And then this is a little closet organizer. This is one of the first things I bought, not knowing how the closet was gonna be, and I would say it was like one of my favorite buys. I started off with like 5 hangers, so that's why I have a different amount of hangers. I just kind of collected from other people that had too much, so that's why that's like that. Then these are my laundry baskets. I have one for colors and one for darks, and that works pretty well. All right, and then down here I have my shoe shelf, and I built this with my bare hands. Literally, I tried to hand screw it, that did not work out. So that's it for the closet. Now this is like the room. You'll have 2 sides. You'll literally have the things at the top, A and B. You get assigned that in an email. And so over here is my lovely roommate's kitchen, I would say. Literally, she has everything you would ever need. And yeah, over here is my air conditioning unit that we both share, but it right in the corner. So this thing is really loud, but at least it does the job. This is my little pantry over here. I have like a bunch of snacks in this box, random box for real. Pretzels, whatever. Glasses. This top shelf is really like my game shelf. Then this is just for my purses and some stationery stuff. This is for my massage business. Get at me, any freshmen. By the next year, when you see me, hit me up. I give wonderful massages. And yeah. And then this is the desk that you have. Also part of my pantry. Yeah, you can just look at it and you can kind of visualize it. But you have four drawers. You have this long one. This is about the same size as the second one, but the third one is very deep. This is my fridge. Yeah. This is our sink. And we have medicine cabinets on both sides. This is my roommate's. Okay. Come on, medicine. Olay. Band-Aids. And would you like to just dish out what this is?
So basically, here we have a towel stand, and I keep my little toothbrush and whatnot over here. I bought this shelf for convenience. Keep just like random stuff there, you know. And I got these containers, and yeah.
And these are the only outlets that are by the sink. Over here, this is, I got this, oh, I forgot to say this, but everything you see here, at least on my side, is either from Amazon or Target. This is from Amazon. 2 makeup bags, my soap, her paper towels. But we should.
That's why we have 2 different soaps. It just happened.
It just be like that. And then of course you can see Cameron's theme is pink and gray, so she carries that theme there. I like this. These are my cotton swabs and my cotton balls, and you can just like pick it up. Underneath here we have this. She has more cleaning products. On my left side is just like my restocks, stuff for laundry as well. It's kind of hidden. I have my detergent. You could probably fit a lot more down here, but we've been keeping it minimal. And then there's just big space underneath here. Yeah. I don't know why they put that there, but it's coming handy for Cameron. This is my side. Let's get into the decoration, okay? I was going for like a simplistic type of mood, I guess. Black, white, gold, and turquoise is my theme, as you can see on my sign as well. Amazon tour poster talk. I actually created that myself, and both are also from Poster Talk. But basically you are given 4 shelves, well, 4 drawers I should say. These are 2 separate ones. This is where I keep my clothes. You have a lot of space underneath the bed. I literally have my gigantic suitcases in the back over there. I put some excess shoes up there, like my slides and the Crocs, because they were not fitting in my closet. And this is the nightstand. It's a basic drawer. And this is hers. Her theme, like I said, is pink and gray. She has LED lights on her desk, which are cute. Yep. And this body mirror. She has this light up sign that has not worked in what, a couple of months. It used to light up. It was nice. She has a TV, and she has a Chucky doll. Don't ask why. And she has this LED lamp that changes colors.
Alexa, play Switch the Colors by Corey Kenshin.
Uh-oh, come on, music video. Ooh, what? Hey. Wait, we need to turn the lights off. It's a vibe in our room. Uh-oh, the walk back. Yeah. What's really crazy is that her lamp is actually brighter than our actual light. This light is very dim, which I need to show y'all on my desk because I forgot to show y'all. At night when I'm doing work, because it'd be really dark and like, you know, Cameron needs to get her sleep, I have installed some LED lights on the top. They are motion censored, and they're easy to charge. You just charge them at the top. You can get these on Amazon as well. Now I forgot to show y'all, but I also have a light in my closet that I had installed, also from Amazon. It's just longer and bigger, and this is the charging cord I use for it. And I just have it dangling, so it's just easy access to charge. But this light comes in handy because it's very, very dark in the closet after, I want to say, 7 p.m. when the sun goes down. So definitely recommend. That's the room tour. And if you wanted to see our outside view, it's annex.
Alrighty, so ladies and gentlemen, this is our gym. This is located on the 2nd floor. Pretty much the only downside to this is that there's no weights. There was at one point, but I think people were stealing them, so they completely took them out. We have water fountains on every floor. Now, do they all work? No, but at one point they did. I find it funny that still to this day, some residents didn't know this existed, but this is the computer/printer room that is located on the first floor. I don't think any other dorms have this. This is my favorite aspect of CHS. This is the game lounge where we have arcade, foosball, vending machines, pool, ping pong, TVs, microwave, and an outdoor area that we occasionally can use. This is the first floor study lounge. We actually have 4 study lounges on each floor, but the first floor lounges are different, so that's why I'm showing them now. Now, this is an example of one of the study lounges on another floor. I apologize to these people. I did not know they were going to be in there. Now, this is the lobby. We have 3 elevators, and we have a trash room to the right. We also have more vending machines, and the laundry room is just a little bit farther, and I actually forgot to record that. I apologize. But here is the central first floor lounge. It's pretty big, as you can see, all the chairs. And I just wanted to show y'all the outside because we really do have some nice views out here. And last but not least, this is the main lounge that is on every floor except for the first floor. This is mainly like a hangout spot. Some people do homework. You can hook up Wii's and other stuff to the TV if you want, like movie nights. And this is also the outside look of a floor.
Okay, well, that is it for our room tour. You should definitely tap into CHS. We are the best dorm. I know I made a TikTok about, the disadvantages, but on that list, it was very small, as you can see, and other dorms have either the same problems or more. So, yeah. At the end of the day, I hope you enjoyed yourself. Remember that you are loved. See you next time. Ciao. You want to do that part again?
No.